7th standard discussion.
Hi friends, I am Manoj. I am from 7th standard.
Diacritic was largest number and smallest number digits. One digit smallest number is 1.
One digit largest number is 9.
Two digit smallest number is 10.
Two digit largest number is 99.
Three digit smallest number is 100.
Three digit largest number is 99. 999.
Four digit smallest number is 1000.
Four digit largest number is 9999.
Five digit smallest number is 10,000.
Five digit largest number is 99,999.
Six digit smallest number is lakh.
Six digit largest number is 9,99,999.
Seven digit smallest number is 10 lakh.
Seven digit largest number is 99,99,999.
Eight digit smallest number is crore.
Eight digit largest number is 9,99,99,999.
Nine digit smallest number is 10 lakh. 10 crore.
Nine digit largest number is 99 crore 99 lakh